main ways that a medical provider can diagnose Legionnaires' disease. The first way is through a chest x-ray, and basically an opacity or some dark spot will show up in either one or both lungs. So that's one element. The other element of the diagnosis would be for a person to provide urine during a hospital stay, as an example, which is then sampled or tested for the presence of the antigen that comes out from having someone who has contracted Legionnaires' disease. So there's two ways that normally are used. One is the chest x-ray, and the other one is the Legionella bacteria shows up as an antigen in the urine that's taken from the patient. On some occasions, and it's somewhat rare, the medical provider will want to go even deeper, and they can either draw blood or they can actually do a tissue sample, and they can test that for the presence of the bacteria. So those are the two ways that a medical provider determines whether or not you actually have Legionnaires' disease. Consistent or a part of Legionnaires' disease are certain symptoms that practically everyone has who has the disease. Very, very high fever. Sometimes there is hallucinations because of that. There's issues, quite frankly, that affect the kidneys often. Besides the high fever, you can also have problems with your fatigue. You ache. Sometimes there's diarrhea. There's all types of symptoms that are normally associated with Legionnaires' disease. I strongly recommend that if anyone has any of those symptoms, they immediately go to an emergency room and present to the doctors in the ER to make that determination whether or not they have the disease, because it can be deadly. I'd be happy to talk with that person, whomever that may be. I'm open at all times. They can call me on my cell phone, my office phone, whatever they want to do. My office is 215-988-0160. My cell is 215-888-5183. They can reach me through my email, zacherlaw, ZACHER @gmail.com, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that they might have. They may also want to visit my website, where we put up a lot of information. A lot of it, quite frankly, is what I've already told you during these videos, but a lot of it isn't. And we blog quite extensively. We blog about individual outbreaks. They might find out something about their own outbreak where they might be. A lot of information up there on the website that you may want to go to.